fill the back here. Hop, hop, and click. Yeah, fill the back. Next, fill your back. Click. Chest, chest, chest. And next, 1, 2, 1, 2. Look at my forearm. I try touch here, 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 here. Next, I want to rotate my chest, my upper body, like up from this from the back, and now rotate, and now push diagonal, rotate, push diagonal, rotate, push diagonal, rotate. Plus, up and down, up and down. And like contraction. Next, hop, rotate, up, rotate, push up, down, push up, contraction, push up, contraction, push, and I want to feel this point means my back. See? Plus, I want to isolate my elbow and forearm and look at my elbow, how my elbow works. See? My shoulders make a bit circle, but are not important. Important are chest. See?
It's 8 though.
Yes, it's 8.
Okay.
But diagonal is like that.
Yes.
Because it's come, if I want to make a circle, is the same pattern. Click, 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 up. If I want to focus on the left side, I push here. See? Kick, up and down. If I will think on this position parallel to floor, I will a bit too tense. My muscle will be too tense. I will be too hectic. If I will push, I will find. My body will find the balance, bounce. It's easier to catch the movement, like kick, kick. Now focus on the right side, kick, kick. Because 1, 2, 3. Now 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Look, 1. You see, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5. Oh, 1 the same. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Yeah.